Hello and welcome to the CSO Crash Course modules. Before we talk about the different roles and responsibilities of the CSO committees, let us first learn about what CSO is. CSO stands for the Council of Student Organizations. Established in 1974, CSO is the union of accredited professional and special interests organizations of De La Salle University. We aim to provide service to its accredited organizations by ensuring that the projects and activities of these organizations are well prepared, documented, and executed. Moreover, the Council has continuously delivered quality student services and has produced outstanding student leaders dedicated to serving and contributing to the LaSallian community. Our vision statement is that the Council of Student Organizations is committed to delivering quality services and activities as well as developing proactive and dynamic student leaders befitting the standards of a world-class research university. We create and maintain conditions where our member organizations can achieve optimum performance and realize their goals. We are driven by the ideals of the LaSallian mission, thus, we work actively to feed the needs of the students and ultimately promote the growth of their potential. Meanwhile, our mission statement is that the Council of Student Organizations provides relevant and quality services that support heightened student involvement and development. We continually set standards that contribute to the flourishing of our member organizations as we work together to inspire growth and create a platform for communication. We are pioneers of nation building and LaSallian formation by maintaining a sense of social awareness and spiritual growth in our activities. In CSO, we have three core values: competence, service, and order. Competence highlights on upholding the LaSallian brand of leadership. The Council serves as an example in innovating standards. Service speaks about being driven by the passion to serve, and that the Council abides by the LaSallian core values for the benefit of its member organizations. Lastly, order is pioneering integrity and ethics, wherein the Council integrates these in its service and constitutes discipline among its officers. CSO is a home for leaders and aspiring leaders. We develop and train people by giving them new opportunities and experiences through our various activities every year. As an organization, these activities are our contribution to the LaSallian students' journey in the university. We have established university-wide annual activities spearheaded by the organization, and these annual activities include Frosh Welcoming, which is a week-long activity held every year by the CSO in which freshmen receive a warm welcome and a glimpse of the organizations under the Council, together with the university student government units, special groups, and culture and arts office organizations. Annual Recruitment Week. It is a week-long activity for the whole student body of De La Salle University to be given an opportunity to choose among the CSO organizations that can serve as an avenue to meet people with similar interests and hone their skills outside of academic responsibilities. Green Card Alliance. It establishes partnerships with companies to offer special privileges such as discounts to the students of De La Salle University Manila and Laguna who have joined the organizations under the Council of Student Organizations. To Class, or Towards Uplifting Knowledge and Leadership Advancement Series, is a leadership seminar designed for the purpose of transforming DLSU students and student leaders through talks based on the LaSallian core values of faith, service, and communion in mission, prepared by notable LaSallian graduates. Flair, or Focusing Leaders in Applying Resolutions through Engagement and Excellence, is a case competition that enables student leaders to come up with sustainable project proposals on various social issues. It aims to equip student leaders with training and mentoring sessions on project development, management, monitoring, and evaluation. Award-giving bodies is an entity headed by CSO designed to seek and award outstanding student leaders, organizations, activities, and professors on the basis of students' search for outstanding teachers, harvest of winners and the outstanding co-eds. The Lasallian Excellence Awards gives way to honor the services and craft shown by Lasallian individuals and organizations based on faith, service, and communion. LEA serves as a way to give back to the community and empower student leaders to pursue excellence through honoring and awarding their works. Lastly, the Lasallian Enrichment Alternative Program or LEAP is an event during the University Mission Vision Week headed by CSO alongside its accredited organizations, USG with its respective units, and other offices of the university, where students are offered alternative classes which cater to their interests that help them develop holistically. As a council, we abide by the guidelines and regulations stated in the DLSU Handbook, Student Activities Manual, and the CSO Constitution. We also work with various offices of the university, especially with the Office of Student Life or S-Life and the Office of Student Affairs. Moving on to the last part of our module, we have us, the people. Our organizational structure consists of the Executive Board, Executive Committee, Executive Team, and our associates. The Executive Board consists of the Council Chairperson, the Executive Vice Chairperson for Internals, the Executive Vice Chairperson for Externals, the Executive Vice Chairperson for Documentations, and the Executive Vice Chairperson for Finance. Moreover, CSO has 3 divisions, namely Internals, Externals, and Operations. The committees under Internals are the Activity Monitoring Team, Human Resource and Development, and Organizational Research and Analysis Committee. The Activity Monitoring Team evaluates and analyzes events of the organizations serviced by ensuring quality standards of execution are implemented. The Human Resource and Development Committee, on the other hand, focuses on the growth and development of the officers by providing holistic and effective activities such as workshops, training programs, and team-building activities. And the Organizational Research and Analysis Committee addresses the concerns brought about by the organization's members and officers and collects feedback towards the improvement of the organization through quantitative and qualitative reports. Moving to the Externals Division, it is composed of the Marketing and Linkages Committee, Project Management Team, and the Publicity and Productions Committee. The Marketing and Linkages Committee handles contacting potential sponsors for the Council and screening, reviewing, and approving Memorandum of Agreements and other related documents. While the Project Management Team is responsible for handling external, civic, and advocacy-related projects, involvements, and activities of CSO. And the Publicity and Productions Committee handles all the publicity materials and digital assets of CSO. They also manage the organization's social media presence and website. Lastly, the committees of the Operations Division include the Activity Processing and Screening Committee, the Activity Documentation and Management Committee, and the Finance Committee. The first one is the Activity Processing and Screening Committee, who assists the Office of Student Leadership, Involvement, Formation, and Empowerment, or S-Life, in handling the pre-activity requirements of the organizations. The team ensures that each activity is supported by pre-activity documents that specify an event's details from its title and setting to its objectives and design. Next, we have the Activity Documentation and Management Committee, which collects and processes post-activity documents of the organizations affiliated with it. And lastly, the Finance Committee is in charge of all financial processes for all events of the Council. Interested to know more about the specific roles and responsibilities of the CSO committees? Watch our other crash course modules posted in our social media pages or through the description box of this video. And while you're there, make sure to like, follow, and subscribe to our social media accounts. And that's CSO in a nutshell. We hope that you were able to learn a lot about what a CSO is as a whole. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, do not hesitate to message any CSO officer. Always for the passion of service, this is your Council of Student Organizations. Have a great day.